Autumn, ngithukutshela something, ngithukutshela something ne. Kunale language le yasekasi le ethi ungathi mawuthola abafana abancane badlala ibhola. Wena ufike ufuna ukuthathela abafana abancane ibhola la. Usikrare awugreyile abafana baroluka bhola. Wena wanya kuba ngikela bhola yabona. Cause kusasa uzothi uphumile uye somewhere intwana zijump ifence singene endlini zithatha ibhola la. Yathola, I hope this is a lesson to wonke amachita bafethu. No matter how moneyed you are, nanomngageleza kufika apho uphethe nani mara kumele wazi strata prime. Santu tsibe strata. Cause uzogcina ushada nabantu ekungamele bashadwe. Nabantu ekungamele bashade prime bazokutshelana nasekasi bathi leli kharafla semathuneni. Hlaba uphume. Hlaba uphume. Bangakutsheli bathi now my past it doesn't matter. Hey, please don't judge my past. Hey, ipast yamechara prime mele wenze research ucavu lo mntana unjani kenzakalani ngaye. Cause manje ulimala. Ugcina utrona abantu ekungamele ubathrow. So ungalithatha ibhola labafana abancane mabasadlala. Wena ufuna ukulithatha. Bazoza abafana bazolanda ibhola labo. Ngeke kube mnandi.
Abona le video ifuna ne part 2. Abona Limpopo boy mfana ngifuna ubuyele eTzanini Limpopo uyodlumoba urumbila or avocado ukuhlala ebenchini. Ubone ukuthi kunzima kanjani la eSouth Africa. Can't we talk that you are presented with opportunities? You are in a position of greatness. Then you're gonna sabotage yourself like this. Uyanyanisa. Last thing shaye video ngawo. Debe ngikufrustana ngakhona. Ngibona ukuthi uyamuva ukhuphula ispirit sabo love lokushini. Bese uzoshisa icheck kanje ayohlala ebenchini. Ayohlala ebenchini. Awubuyelele eTzanini uyodlumoba. Uhlale ukubona ukuthi yaniwa la eSouth Africa indlala. Wena uzoshisa icheck. Ngonomthandazo uDimakatso wasepulukwane repharabu. Damn it! You mara yikwenzeni mara Limpopo boy mara yini bro. There comes a time and there comes a point that you need to understand that there are certain places that you don't belong and there are certain things that you can never do. Asikhala ngibona manje le video yakho nakulapha into yakho ngathi nobungcunu nangu Cinderella Queen of London into yakho ngathi nobungcunu angazi nenza ngathi nasichaza mara ngikwenzeni bro wami.
Limpopo boy ugcine ayulahlile umthwalo lapha kumatsiliso ngolomunye lothwekako la kuma social media unendodza ushadile bacedza kumlobola nyalo brand new perhaps so keep it malechisiwe lomunye lothwekako la ku TikToks lothwekako la kuma Facebooks perhaps wow so lendodza bebane kuyitshela ukuthi hayi lona kusuye umfati kahle lo ndela lendodza ithi no umfati wami mina ngiyamthemba right njoba anje angeke nimende lutho ningathuki Limpopo boy bathi sowungeneleke ngama dance wathi no mina ngitamthwekisa so umthwekisile ke kubonakala ivideo labathi shoota khona na Limpopo boy umapuna sathana mari sharp to kill yebo bemapuna Limpopo boy uveta India kase Limpopo lengasi sharp to kill but yabonakala ukuthi no uready ngathi umlahlisile umthwalo so ufuna ukuthi phinza uyasho ukuthi no akathi soli ngathi so ufuna ukuthi phinza sebajabulile perhaps wow yebo abantu abaningi bayasho ukuthi endodza bommela umfati ungabommela umfati yebo Women's Day namuhla akuvumelanga sibathelele abafati kepha lona zakukhuda ngaye bathi no le ndodza igijimele ekhaya yabita umndeni ngathi kufuna ukuthi batubukela le video babone ukuthi no vele ngathi Limpopo boy umlahlisile umthwalo sikolo sesiphumile hey Limpopo hey bahlala basho ukuthi Limpopo niphethe ikhali tembubhiso sitibonile kule video lephethe Limpopo ukuthi
re go pela tshwarelo mo bathong ba tselenje ore kulo rile untshithela so like mo ditorong jaaka bana wa njolela go pela tshwarelo
sorry for telling
ore ke ne
I apologize
o ka sa njolela mo ditorong papa nna ke tu wa bisa o nya gore ba ta ba rena ke go gapeletsa gore wape go pela tshwarelo we serious
kere sorry machaka for jala ditorong jaaka sa o jala ditorong na yo o tolora ka nne wena resho
o engalora ba unjolela kuding go come it's go come okay guys le mo le ka o tole ba re ke mmolaile kuding sharp guys bye bye.
Guys, there's a video on TikTok and it's very disturbing. People are taking us, people are mentioning us, some are calling us, looking for answers. So I'm here to clear the air as part of CP Sisters management team. So I've been working with CP Sisters for 2 years now. As you know, I love working with kids. And I've been in this game for a very long time. So I would never associate myself with any initiative that exploits or mistreats young people. Never. So any claims circulating.
Good morning, my good people. How are you? It's Gamma TV, so you know. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day. And guys, I know you worried me, but then I think I'm gonna be fine. Yeah.